Hi, thanks for watching this video from Doesnt Sports in Huddersfield. So this is a bit of a different one for us. So we're actually selling this car as spares and repairs. Couple of reasons. It sounds like the camshaft is worn. Well, it's got a knock on the top end anyway, which is quite common on the 150. And it's also recorded as Cat D on the register. So it's coming from a local customer. He had no idea it were on the register. We'd agreed to take it in part exchange, and then when we HPI'd it, it's flagged up. So we've decided to try and sell it as it is. If it doesn't sell, it's going to be our new runabout car, because I have such a lot of love for these cars. And honestly, for a 23-year-old, the wings are good, wheels are good. It's recently had new brakes all round. It's only done 79,000 miles. Pretty sure the cambelt was done a couple of years ago, but I'll put that on the advert. Apart from some lack appeal there, which is a lot better than rust anywhere, it really is a nice car. So if it doesn't sell, we'll repair it, and this will be our new car to go for the sandwiches in. So yeah, like I said, the local guy didn't really want to get rid of it, and then when the engine started making a noise and his missus were giving him some grief, he's just got a much newer car. So there's 2 keys with it as well. It does have an MOT, which don't really matter because we're selling it for spares, but it was been used up until 3 days ago. Get the car parking dent there where he's opened the door onto cement. Interior's clean, tidy, presentable. It's a standard car with the Montreal 2 alloys on. Original stereo with the upgraded CD. And it's just done 79461. 2 keys with it as well. No warning lights on. So we'd advise recovery, but if it is a camshaft, then you can normally get away with driving them for a while, but that will be down to your own discretion. It's been sold, as I say, as spares and repairs. Still got the battery cover, engine cover. Like I say, it's on the register, but everything looks straight and good. The guy's had it a good few years and he had no idea it was recorded. So as always with all our cars, it's viewed by appointment only. If you want to make an appointment, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Again, if you've got any questions, give us a ring or drop us an email. Thank you.